So our next one is going to be fairly easy. Now I've detached all my other stuff because, yeah, I like to do things in modules and then bring it all together again. I was figuring out I had some trouble with a motor shield, and so I've replaced it, but I'm minus 1 pin on this motor shield as well. Alrighty, so once I've got that and I'm connecting my motors and battery, etc., I'm going to try and connect my servos. And that's these little things here. Now, like I said, this is the sort of standard one you'll get in a kit. They're totally fine, but they're not super strong. Yeah. If you want something bigger, you can get bigger ones like this. Yeah, and it can do, I guess, more weight and things. And there's even bigger ones again on top of that. Okay, so that's our servos. And we use these to do things like, I don't know, pull stuff or lift arms or, I don't know, stab with an axe if you're, I'm trying to think if you like, what do you call that TV show? If you like that TV show with robots fighting, Robot Wars, that's the one. So if you like something like Robot Wars, then this would be how they would probably be controlling their weapons, whereas the movement might be controlled by the motors. Okay, so how do we plug these in? This is super easy. All we have to do is we have to look at our motor shield here, and you will see, I hope, we'll get negative, plus, and S. Now, you could probably figure this out yourself, but our wires are coloured. And so, brown is negative, red is positive, and yellow is our signal. So we just need to plug that in that order onto our little motor shield here. Now again, if you don't have a motor shield, that's fine, you can just put it into the pins that you want to use. You just need to be sure to set up those pins as a servo. Okay, and then I'm going to connect my other servo into the other section here. Again, check for brown, red, yellow, and I can connect it in there. Okay, I can do this easier if I'm not holding a camera with one hand, but there we go. Okay, so I've then got my two servos connected with the wires all, I hope, going the correct direction, and these are going to be able to move, fingers crossed, using our power thing from before. Okay, so I'm going to plug my power back in, and then after that, let's try and get them moving with a bit of programming. Alrighty?